न जानामि योगं जपं नैव पूजां नतोऽहं सदा सर्वदा शम्भुतुभ्यं जराजन्म दुःखोऽगतातप्यमानं प्रभो पाहि आपन्नमामीश शम्भो।
A warm welcome to all the devotees. On Raksha Sutra English, we are going to narrate wonderful holy stories to all the devotees from the book Miracles of Love by Ramdas Ji, an exclusive devotee of Maharaj Ji. Please listen carefully, all the devotees. The meaning of taking on karma is that a very high being such as Maharaj Ji can work with subtle vibratory patterns and can take from devotees patterns with which they have been stuck for this lifetime or many lifetimes. For example, such a being could take away your sorrow or your ill fortune. This process, which is a familiar one among Indian saints as well as sorcerers and medicine men from many parts of the world, can be done in a variety of ways. Often the medicine man works with a lock of hair or the feces or urine of the person suffering the effects of some negative forces either inside or outside themselves. In India, such karmic healers often work with things the devotee gives them. Shirdi Sai Baba, a very great saint of India, would ask his devotees for annas, small coins worth less than a penny. These he would handle continuously until he had extracted the negative condition from the devotee into himself. This negative material he then could release from himself by other yogic processes. Another well-known guru in India asks his devotees for cigarettes and smokes from morning till night, year in, year out, often 3 or 4 cigarettes at a time. Maharaj Ji's way was to eat the karma, and he seemed to have no limit to his capacity. One woman, a long-standing devotee, told the following story. Once in Bhumi Adhar, where Maharaj Ji was staying the night, we had all taken our evening meal and had retired at 10:30 p.m. Around 1 a.m. Maharaj Ji started yelling that he was very hungry and that he must have dal. Dal means lentils and chapatis. I woke and reminded him that he had already eaten, but he insisted that he must have dal and chapatis. Who can understand the ways of such a being? So I woke Brahmachari Baba the priest, and he built a fire and prepared the food. It was ready about 2 a.m. and we watched Maharaj Ji consume the food with great hunger. Then we all retired again. At about 11 the next morning, a telegram arrived saying that one of Maharaj Ji's old devotees had died down on the plains about 150 miles away the previous night at 2 a.m. When the telegram was read to Maharaj Ji, he said, "You see, that's why I needed chapatis and dal." This aroused our curiosity because we didn't see at all. We pressed him, but he would say nothing more. Finally, after 2 or 3 days of our persistence, he said, "Don't you see? He, the man who had died, had been wishing for chapatis and dal, and I didn't want him to carry that desire on through death, for it would affect a future birth. Sometimes when visiting homes, he would come to the door and say he was very hungry and ask if he could eat. In very poor homes where there might not be any food, he would just say he was very thirsty and ask for water. In Lucknow, Maharaj Ji took some public works officials in a car to the poorest part of town where these officials do not take proper care of the roads and sanitation. From one of the sects he called forth a Muslim whom Maharaj Ji called a Musalman, and they embraced. And then Maharaj Ji said, I am very hungry, but Maharaj Ji, I have no food. A big one, you have 2 rotis. Rotis means flat bread hidden in the roof. The man was surprised that Maharaj Ji knew, and he got them. Even though Maharaj Ji and the officials had just eaten, he ate one with relish and handed the other to the officials, including the Hindu Brahmins, who would never eat food prepared by a Muslim, and said, Take prasad. Take chai section is long, so further stories of this section will be narrated to all devotees in next episode. To listen the wonderful holy stories of Maharaj Ji, please like, share, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. Write in the comment box, Jai Neem Karoli Baba Ji Maharaj.